Chair, Section 5 of the Commissions Act makes it an offence for a person willfully to obstruct the Commission in the performance of its functions. That section is reinforced by similar provisions in Regulation 12 of the regulations that have been promulgated in accordance with the establishment of this Commission. Chair, the Commission's functioning depends on witnesses who have information that is relevant and valuable for the Commission to receive, to be in a position to do so, even when they fear for their lives and the personal safety of their families. Chair, today Ms. Myeni has breached that section of the Commissions Act and Regulation 12. And I say that for 4 reasons. The order that you made, Chair, concerning the identity of Mr. X was granted because you were satisfied that disclosure of his identity would threaten his and his family's personal safety. Secondly, in response to Ms. Myeni's question about who Mr. X was, you made it clear to her that you had given a ruling that his identity was not to be revealed because you were persuaded that but for that protection, his personal safety was at risk. Ms. Myeni then stated that she had read the full transcript of Mr. X's evidence, and if she did so, she read in detail the basis on which the application for his evidence to be given in camera and for his identity not to be revealed was made. She would also have seen the basis on which you made your decision to grant the application. And that, fourthly, was all preceded by the efforts of the legal team of the Commission to notify Ms. Myeni the Sunday before Mr. X's evidence was to be given on the Monday. What was done on that Sunday was a communication was sent to Ms. Myeni's then attorneys, and further calls were made to confirm that that communication had been received. If I may just indicate what that communication said, it advised Ms. Myeni that on the next day, Monday the 17th of February, the Commission's legal team would be intending to present the evidence of a witness whose identity could not be revealed because of issues of personal safety. She was told precisely where the hearing would be taking place, and she was given a copy of the application for the proceedings to take place in camera and for his identity not to be revealed. She was told in no uncertain terms that his evidence would implicate or may implicate her as participating in various actions of corruption, fraud and money laundering. And she was further advised that if she intended to oppose the application, she had a right to be present at the hearing and to make any application she deemed appropriate in the light of what she was informed would be an application for his identity not to be revealed. So against that factual background, Chair, Ms. Myeni, despite those facts, on 4 successive occasions revealed the identity of Mr. X. Chair, we submit that that conduct is a willful obstruction of the Commission in the performance of its functions. It reveals a disrespect for this Commission and its processes, and it will send a chill over these proceedings because it is liable to deter future whistleblower witnesses from coming forward. We submit that this is an extremely serious matter, and we submit that you should direct the Secretary of the Commission to lay a charge against Ms. Myeni for breaching Section 5 of the Commissions Act, so that justice can take its course. We further submit that any explanation of Ms. Myeni's conduct that may be proffered by her, or any indications that may in due course of regret that come from her, are matters that are appropriately to be reserved for her criminal trial on this charge, should the NPA decide to prosecute. They are not. Any offers of explanation or contrition are not and could never be grounds for not directing that the charge be laid. Chair, it is our submission that the proper functioning of this Commission requires matters like this to be dealt with resolutely and swiftly, so that there can be no doubt that people who knowingly undermine this Commission will be brought to book. Chair, those are our submissions for the way forward.